So this is the model that we have used in our software part to improve our dataset. Various types of image augmentation system like width shift, zoom range, film or etc. use. The model we have used is conf2d with 32 batch size and 4x4 matrix. Also the activation are used like ReLU and softmax and dropout of 0.5. After running the model we can get accuracy of almost 99.25%, which is quite high. This is our training loss and accuracy graph, and after plotting the confusion matrix we get this output where we can see that the precision, recall, if-on score for both with marks and without marks are quite excellent.
So here we can see the code, and if we run the code, it shows that I am wearing a mask. If I now open the mask, then it shows that I am not wearing the mask.
Now we look at the Arduino code. We connect the first servo to pin 10, which will control the barrier, and the mask distributor servo is connected to pin 9. Their operations are controlled by rotate servo function, which take angle of the motor as an input too. This input is generated from door automate function, which is taking the model's result as input. If the model detects a person with mask, the barrier will remain open at 120-degree angle and the mask distributor servo will remain in its original position. But whenever a person without mask is detected, barrier will be closed and coming down to 0 degree, and mask distributor servo will rotate to 75 degree. Thus it pushes the mask in front of the person without any contact. Next we will see the hardware demo.
Now let us see the live demonstration of our project. When a person wearing a mask comes in, the barrier shouldn't fall down and the person should be able to pass in easily. Now as this person is wearing a mask, the system isn't showing any obstacle and the barrier is also up, and so the person is easily passing through the door.
When a person appears in front of the camera without a mask, this mechanism provides him a mask which falls on the tray. The mechanism is shown as follows.
Now let's see what happens when a person without a mask comes in. As he is not wearing a mask, the barrier immediately falls down and also the mask distribution system provides him with a mask. As soon as he wore the mask, the system allows him to come through. Also we can see some fluctuations in the middle. This is because of our camera and the lighting. As we didn't use any sort of high resolution camera, we only used the built-in camera of a laptop, so it faces some problems. If the lighting is not good, this problem can be easily overcome if we use a high resolution camera and also proper lighting setup.